you even notice that I was doing it? That's what I mean. It's so powerful, and it can be so subtle. Hi, I'm Sonia, holistic esthetician, hair artist, awakening guide, and yoga instructor. And I really wanted to share this video about how easy it is to do 3-part breath anywhere, anytime, not just on your yoga mat, but especially off the yoga mat. You know, while you're driving in your car, in traffic, or on the GO train, or even as you're swooshing down the ski hill or hiking up the mountain, walking the dog, washing the dishes, or, you know, watching your teenage kids wash the dishes, or while your baby is napping. We can basically just doing it all the time. So many times we might hear, breathe and just stop and breath. I mean, even I say that. But how to breathe? Because even if we do breathe, are we taking a full breath to our capacity that we could? And can we even expand our capacity for more? Because as we pause to do this type of breath, you tap into the well-being that abounds, that your natural vitality, and you will feel increased energy, and you will be the peace that you seek, and that has you connecting to however it is that you feel joy and how you experience ease. And that is my wish for you through whether it's the holiday season or major life transition or change, whether it's career, death of a loved one, or how I've come to understand transitioning of a loved one, because for me, even mine are with me and guiding and surprising and delighting me in cooperation with the universe every day, all day long. And I'm not going to say that everything is that I'm always happy or I'm like Pollyanna sunshine. I can definitely experience anxiety, depression myself, and sadness for sure. However, I see them as a contribution to activate even more deeper within me, to see how loved I am and that everything is okay. And the more that I feel them and let them pass, and before they pass, just really be with them and let them be there. That is what my invitation to you is. And so this is the mechanics. I'll get right into it so that you can get on with whatever it is that you are doing to celebrate the holidays, if you're watching it during this time, or if it's beyond, because this is really, for me, more of a lifestyle approach that we can use into the next decade and beyond, and that is my wish to you as well. So wherever you're watching this, if you can sit a little straighter, or stand a little straighter just by rolling your shoulders back, and just bring your head up gently, and then just breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. And you're going to breathe into your diaphragm, into your chest, and up to your heart. Hold it there, and exhale out the nose, through your heart, down your chest, and out your diaphragm. And I like to do it to the count of 4. So inhaling, holding, and exhaling. And I didn't make this up. This is a long, well-known yogi tradition. I learned it through Beth Shaw of Yoga Fit, and that's where I've done my training and I absolutely love it. Anyway, that's for another video. So just to go through it again with you one more time, we'll do it together. And I imagine that we are sitting together wherever you are, or standing, or in conversation with someone, and you can do it. And be looking them straight in the eye. So I imagine that we are looking at each other in our eyes and seeing and being the love for each other and the love and compassion that we can all use at any time. Here we go. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you likes and thumbs, share with a message of what you found beneficial out of it. And if you would like to get some support or have other ideas for topics that you would like to see me create, then please leave a comment. That would be really cool. I would love to know. I love making videos, and I'm going to be making more, so I would love to know what you would love to see. You could subscribe and click the bell so to make sure you get notified when they get uploaded. I've also linked below my email address that if you would like to be subscribed to my eZen news, if you're local to the Stouffville area, to learn about upcoming events that we're doing here at the studio, or if you're interested in learning more about services that we provide as well, then go ahead and do that.